In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make deep and organic music like Rufus du Sol. Let's dive in and explore the steps to craft music that resonates with emotion and a sense of natural flow. To get started, first set up your digital audio workstation, or DAW. Whether you're using Ableton Live, Logic Pro, FL Studio, or another program, begin by adjusting the tempo to somewhere between 118 to 122 beats per minute. This tempo range is crucial for achieving the immersive and steady groove typical of Rufus du Sol's style. Ensure the time signature is set to 4/4, providing that familiar rhythmic foundation. Before you begin layering sounds, take a moment to decide on the mood you want to convey. This emotional direction is key to your project. Do you want the music to feel melancholic, hopeful, dreamy, euphoric, or reflective? These emotions will guide your choice of chords and sounds. Setting the tone for your entire track. Selecting a mood at the outset allows you to craft a cohesive musical narrative that invites listeners into the world you're creating. Once you've chosen your mood, it's time to write an emotional chord progression. Think of crafting a simple 4 or 8 bar progression that will serve as the backbone of your track. Consider using a mix of minor chords, major 7th chords, suspended chords, and add E9 chords. These chord types are fantastic for bringing out depth and emotion. Keep the progression repetitive enough to create that hypnotic feel, but allow room for subtle variations. This slight unpredictability will maintain interest while keeping the listener engrossed in the musical experience. Now let's move on to designing organic drum grooves, a signature element in creating music reminiscent of Rufus du Sol. Start by building a groove centered around a deep, warm kick that provides a solid foundation. Incorporate a soft clap or snare to add texture and rhythm. Complement these with closed and open hi-hats, which will help to add movement and dynamic detail to the groove. Adding shakers can provide an extra layer of rhythm, and using congas or bongos can introduce an earthy, organic feel. Light percussion loops are also a great way to weave additional interest and create an authentic, relaxed vibe. By carefully crafting your chord progressions and drum grooves, and by mindfully selecting the mood, you will be well on your way to creating music that captures the essence of Rufus du Sol's deep and organic sound. Remember, the key to this style of music lies in its emotional depth and space within the mix, allowing each element to breathe and interact naturally. Now you're ready to start experimenting and let your creativity lead the way. Happy producing!